greet is mark drawn here. Right, we're going to be looking at how we can actually get one of these information. Notice you have 6 information right inside here, but we just don't want to open everything. So we just want to look definitely where the sugar part is concerned. So close it back again. So first we want to come right up here, create, and then we come right here, query wizard. We're going to come right here, add it, close it. You're going to click on the ID, right, the quantity right there, and then we want to put the item. So under the item, what we want definitely, we want to put sugar right there. Alright, so I put sugar. Notice it's make sure it's in the criteria line, just like that. And then we're going to come up here, so we're going to click run. If you notice right here, to show you how much quantity of sugar is right there and all of that. If we add the price, we'll actually see the price. It does the same. Very important. So that will show you exactly that I can run query like this without everybody have to see exactly what's inside of it. So if I come right here and I close it like that, I'm going to do an next query again. Come right here, so I click on query, I'm going to add it just like that. So I want to see everything in the table. I just click the ID, item, then I click right the quantity, and I click on price. And if I run it like that, you notice you see everything in the table. Alright, so definitely don't want that. I click on that again, click on query. Alright, so you're gonna add it. So if I click on the ID, right, and then I click on the price, and I click on the item this time. So if I come right this and I put in the ID, if I press 111 like that with the ID, and then I click on run, you notice it showed me right here. So the car meal, the item is the car meal and the price right here. So you can do both the ID again, the price and all that just to find it's just the same. So notice I never bring up the whole entire thing. So definitely if you wanted to save it, you can just simply come right here. And if you notice, do you want to save the change? And you say yes. You can actually write whatever right there, right? You click, you notice it show right here. So all the information will be show right here. So when you click, you can actually show right there, so you can click. But in some database, it will show us like different. Alright, so very important. So hope you have learned something from this information here. So remember to share it, remember to like, remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.